Welcome to Nash, part of the Ingersoll Rand's Engineered Solutions group, the business our customers have been relying on since 1903. Over the decades, Nash has assisted on over 6,000 engineered-to-order projects, covering many different industries that require an environmentally safe and secure handling of critical process gases.
We are focused on delivering the most reliable engineered-to-order solutions in the market. Nash has been an inventor and leading supplier of liquid ring vacuum pumps and liquid ring compressors for gas handling applications in different process industries. We do not just sell something off the shelf. Our sales engineers take the time to find out what our customer needs are through a comprehensive analysis of their process.
We take great pride in helping our clients to design from specification, develop and produce tailor-made, efficient and reliable liquid ring vacuum and compressor systems. Through discussion, careful attention to detail and testing, we deliver high-quality products with unrivaled reliability, low total cost to ownership and easy maintenance.
In our Nash Nuremberg plant, we provide a whole range of services for our customers. This includes the machining and assembly of liquid ring pumps and compressors, ETO system assembly including welding, service and repairs, and finally the performance testing, all in one location. Also having our R&D and ETO engineering teams on site, we are able to meet our customers' project-specific requirements even when talking about large and complex systems for the chemical or oil and gas industry.
Our compressors and vacuum pumps have been given the green seal of approval. They can be used for carbon capture and storage projects to compress the carbon dioxide or for hydrogen and oxygen compression. We are privileged to have in-house paint and welding capabilities for all piping in various material grades. We ship worldwide and still provide a high standard of after-sales service and maintenance, supporting our customers with their future needs.
At Nash, our engineering department lives the engineered-to-order mindset. We're not just designing systems, we're engineering individual solutions that cater precisely to the complex process requirements of our clients. Through our dedication to precision, we support our customers to succeed in their business.
At Nash, we have helped so many of our clients succeed in their industry. Let us do the same for you. Nash, the company that builds your efficient and reliable engineered liquid ring systems.